Now that the storm has passed, we've done some yard cleanup. I've cut that tree that fell down. I've cut it up some. We bagged some leaves, and now it's time to take the Mustang car cover off, see what it looks like, and take it for a ride. Let's go. All right, well, that's what she looks like. That car cover really does a good job of keeping the car clean. It's a shame that it's torn. I'm probably just gonna have to buy another one at this point. I don't think I can fix that tear, but you can see the paint. It's I mean, this car went through a hurricane. It looks pretty clean. I mean, it's dirty here, but I think that's more from driving it. This looks really dirty right here. There's a leaf right here. A little leaf. But overall, looks really good. Doesn't smell wet inside. Please don't be wet inside. It's not wet. So that's good. 19,550 miles. Let's roll the windows down. Let's start it up. See what it sounds like. Let that warm up for a minute. Okay, well, I'm just gonna let it warm up a little bit, let the oil get to normal temperature, and then I'll be off. But looks pretty good. This Mustang does need a few things. It needs the suspension to be replaced. It needs new tires, and I want to maybe stagger the tires in this car, which means I need new wheels. So for me to really enjoy this car, it needs almost $4,000 in upgrades. I'll just give it some more time and get around the road. Okay, oil temperature is now normal. We got 19,550 miles. Get up out of this town with some space. Mustang wants to gallop. Let's drop into two. Oh my goodness. Look out now. Oh my God, the V8, baby. The coyotes howling. Oh my God, this exhaust sounds amazing. All right, now let me show you. This car has a perfect idle. It's like right around, what would that be, like 600? Every time I drive this car, I don't think I can part with it. Because I've been thinking about selling this car getting something else, but then I know this would probably be my last V8, especially with a manual transmission. I don't know if I can part with it. Oh, there's that Z. This guy's got a black Z and he wrapped it white. Look at that. It's got a black roof. There's that white Corvette still there. You see a blue M2. They always look so good from a distance. Here comes another Mustang rolling out. Rocking Ford in this house. That white Corvette, I think, has been here a while. I think it's an automatic, and that's why it's going to sit here for a while. There's a newer Mustang right there. There's a Charger back there, 2 Chargers. There's the same Broncos. It's a nice Mojave right there. That's the one I looked at. A white 2-door. Could that be the same one? Yeah, it's the Wild Track. It's still here. Yeah, because they want a fortune for it. That Wild Track is still here. It looks really good, but not for that much.
80,000 for that.
Yeah, that's in my last video. That one, that Badlands, they want 80 grand. It's absolutely insane. It's a 2019 3LT, 58 grand. And it's an automatic. But when you see an automatic, you run away. Always sounding good. Mustang versus Corvette. And it's a red light. And he's leaving. You all know the Coyote would win. Would win that battle. Probably not. I'm just trying to give you a taste of what this car sounds like when it's on the road, and I mean, it sounds pretty good. I was actually considering selling this Mustang, but the more I drive it, the more I don't want to. This car needs suspension, it needs tires, and I want to stagger the tires, which means I need new wheels. I need wider wheels. So, it needs almost $4 grand. So you guys tell me, is it worth putting $4,000? Oh my goodness. This car is awesome. Is it worth putting $4 grand in this car, or should I maybe trade it on a Z or something? Or, I mean, I'm not gonna be able to get a Z, let's face it. You can forget it. Those things are 50 grand. And if you can get one, if you can convince them to sell it to you, they're gonna want an extra 10 probably. So I'm not doing any of that. Maybe I should just put some money in this thing and then just keep enjoying it. It's got under 20,000 miles. I know every inch of this car. The interior is immaculate. It sounds fantastic. New shifter, new exhaust. I got my lowering springs. I changed all the speakers. I got my XPEL. Oh man, come on. And this car is not tuned. I don't plan on tuning it. I don't need more power. I like it just the way it is. So let me know in the comments if you think I should put the money in this car, make it a little better, or should I part with it? Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.